Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to watch HBO Max in UK. As you can see, Max is not available in the UK region and you will be seeing this page. Max is not available in this region yet, but we are working on it. So how you can solve it? So for this purpose you need any VPN. So as you can see, I have multiple VPNs: Proton, Nord and IPVanish. Some of them are paid. So for my purpose I will use this VPN called IPVanish. And once you open the VPN, simply connect to any states in the United States. Let's say I connect to Las Vegas, United States, and wait for it to get connected. As you can see, I am connected to Las Vegas, United States. And once you are connected, open your browser again and search again HBO Max, or just refresh your page. And once you refresh your page, it will take a few seconds to load. So wait for it to load completely. I will refresh it again. And if you're facing any kind of issues, simply click on this button and click on cookies and data, manage cookies, and simply delete all the cookies that you have. I have deleted, and simply reload the page once again. And once you reload the page, as you can see, I get the option of sign in, sign up. As you can see, HBO Max has loaded on my screen. So that is how you can watch HBO Max in UK.